Hey YouTube, what's up? Okay, a lot of you guys have been asking me about my hair. I wasn't going to do a review on my hair because I didn't do it myself. I had someone in my town do my hair. But since a lot of people were asking, I just decided to come on here and just do like a quick little video. So the hair that I got are the Faux Locs, or Faux Locs, whatever you want to call them. But they're crochets. They're crocheted all the way around. So I don't have any individuals. Like how people have like the individuals in the front. I don't have any of those. This string that I got from my local beauty supply store. I also got these from my local beauty supply store as well, and then I got this from my local beauty supply store. I did not know how to do the strings or tie the strings on there, so I just got creative and did the best I could. The gold was put on by my hairdresser. It kind of came off, so I tried to put it on myself, and so that's kind of how I learned how to do it, or learned how to make it stay in this case. So yeah, the hair that I got, or that I used, is number 1. I used 6 packs, almost 7, and then I before she started putting the hair in, it's really uniform, and so what I did was I rubbed them through my fingers. I rubbed my hand, palm rolled them to make them look messy, and I pulled them so that the ends would look like this, as opposed to, you can't really see them, as opposed to how uniform some of them were. So I wanted to make them look old. I had these, I got this style for a birthday trip, and so I got it done a week before, and I slept with no cap on my head. I didn't sleep with nothing on my head because I wanted them to look old. I kind of wanted them to look, you know, natural. Oh, you can see my makeup line right there, y'all. That don't matter. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you have any more questions, just drop them below or hit me up on social media. I'll be happy to try to answer them. As you all know, I'm not a hairstylist, so anything that I do is to the best of my ability, or I do it just enough to make it look right for me. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.